Yes, tonight we are in Honeydew. We came here early in the morning today. We came here almost, what was the time? 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I can't remember, but it was almost those times. Imagine, we was 3 trucks. This is the third one. This is the second one. The first one left almost at 5 o'clock today. So we get late night here. It's in Pal, Honeydew country state. lagu magac dara halkan iska kartaa waa habeen guriyo dhismo fiican ka socdo dhismaha noocaan oo qatartaas laga dhisayaa aka Honeydew country state. So meeshaan ka imaado waxa waa almost waxay ii jirtaa hadda 80 kilometers marka kulli waxa waa insha Allah dib waxa meeshaan isaga afuray biiga tubo meeshaan ka cabay تبطيلغاس كتالان كعوي الحمد لله عندنا حواي حمدية سجل عود دونا يارجو رياضو لاست بنال على قاعد دونا لاست بنال قاعد دونا وداك after this time we can't work so it must be we are hooking this trailer to here وحنا غني سينا trailer كالكا عوض تجنا see. That's the last panel. They are going to hook it. Then after that, I think I'm gonna hook my trailer. Then we're going to do this house there by those lights by the corner. We will do it tomorrow. So let's see how they are going to pick up the last panel. Yes, there you go. Yes, it's a beautiful house in. There is the house become the same like the second one, close to it, or the third one from the other side. That is talk nonsense. This is something that we know. You want to tell us because this guy he like overtime too much. Fuck. Gee. Let me start my truck. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's moon for Ramadan. $23,000. It's a brand new truck. وش هي معك عاوية
Okuma.